Don't download Frase Enterprise Content and Marketing app before watching this. Before you download Frase Enterprise Content and Marketing, here's what most marketers miss. It's more than an content generator. At the enterprise level, Frase provides powered briefs, SEO optimization, and competitive research, but many teams fail by misaligning strategy. Step 1. Define your content objectives. Frase Enterprise helps create SEO-focused briefs. Most people get this wrong by producing content without clear goals, reducing engagement and traffic. Step 2. Analyze competitors. Frase identifies content gaps and opportunities. The surprising truth is, without acting on these insights, content strategies remain ineffective. Step 3. Integrate with chems and workflows. Frase Enterprise works best when connected to publishing platforms, marketing CRMs, and analytics tools. Without integration, recommendations are ignored and content performance drops. Tip 4. Monitor performance. Track rankings, engagement, and conversions. Teams that analyze and act on Frase insights achieve higher organic traffic and better ROI. The upside? Proper use of Frase Enterprise can boost content efficiency by up to 40%, improve search visibility, and streamline enterprise content workflows. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your organization can plan strategy, integrate tools, and monitor results. For smaller teams, simpler content tools may suffice. Subscribe for honest insights before investing in enterprise content platforms.